They were trying to warn you. It's electrified.
What are you doing with them?
At the moment, just keeping them comfortable. There's no point in torturing them. They won't give Derek up. The instinct to protect their alpha's too strong.
Okay. So what are you doing with me? Because Scott can find me, all right? He knows my scent. It's pungent, you know? It's more like a stench. He could find me even if I was buried at the bottom of a sewer covered in fecal matter and urine.
You have a knack for creating a vivid picture, Mr. Stilinski. Let me paint one of my own. Scott McCall finds his best friend bloodied and beaten to a pulp. How does that sound now?
I think I might prefer more of a still life or landscape, you know? What are you, 90? Look, I can probably kick your ass up and down this room. Okay. Wait.
All right. What did you bring?
I got my dad's badge. Jennifer kind of crushed it in her hand. I tried hammering it out a bit. Still doesn't look great.
It doesn't need to look good if it has meaning.
Is that an actual silver bullet?
My dad made it as kind of a ceremonial thing. When one of us finishes learning all the skills to be a hunter, we forge a silver bullet as a testament to the code.
Scott?
My dad got my mom this watch when she first got hired at the hospital. She used to say it was the only thing in her marriage that ever worked.
Okay. The three of you will get in. Each of us will hold you down until you're essentially, well, dead. But it's not just someone to hold you under. It needs to be someone who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you. A kind of emotional tether. Lydia, you go with Styles.
Are you sure? I mean, Scott and I both have to go under.
It's okay. By the way, if I don't make it back and you do, you should probably know something. Your dad's in town.
Stiles and I both feel it. Every day. Just like you said we would. And it makes me think about that quote Jennifer used to start our first class. Because when I feel it, it's like I'm looking into the heart of an immense darkness.
So what do you do instead?
I look for my friends.
It was loud. And it was awesome.
Shut up.
Don't be such a sour wolf.
Hey, Stiles!
Yo, Derek?
Distractor.
Whoa. You? You're not going in there.
I'm taking my hand off. Yeah, that's right. If I'm harboring your fugitive ass, it's my house.
My rules, buddy.
Oh my God.
Hey, is there something on the back of it? There's gotta be...
What's your plan?
To distract her.
Uh-huh. How? By punching her in the face?
By talking to her.
Stiles? Yes. This? No fit. Then try something else on.
It's a very powerful supernatural talisman.
Yes, it's powerful. Very powerful. Hey, all right, give me a sample. What are you gonna open with?
No, don't even think about it.
Did you just trust me this once?
No!
I'm the one keeping you alive, okay? Have you noticed that?
Yeah, and when the paralysis wears off, who's gonna be able to fight that thing, you or me?
So that's why I've been holding you up the past 2 hours?
Long story short, I basically, had to save your life.
That's not how it happened.
Yeah, I may have left out a detail, but that's the gist of what happened. It was the essential essence of it.
You couldn't walk.
I was limping.
You couldn't walk, and I know that because I was carrying you.
They shot my toe. You want to see it?
You're the one. Oh, and he's the... Oh my God, I'm gonna die. That's not nice. She's my nurse.
She's a psychotic bitch helping you kill people. Get out of the way.
By the way, one more thing.
Yeah.
Oh, God, what the hell is...
You know what that was for. Go. Go!